Alright, so I just got done drawing up this house and shooting elevations. I'm going to take a walk around the outside and see what all physical signs of stress we're seeing. Let's see here. Now if we look at this map, 2.6 down on that corner, 3.3 inches down on this further extreme corner. You got some pretty good sized pine trees right here. It's a corner lot. Freeze board separation. Got a broken window. That's a pretty good gap right there. Let's see. Yeah, getting some additional separating here. So this entire side of the house that we're on, 1.8, 1.9, 1.5, 1.7 down from our benchmark, which is just inside the front door. Let's go look and see what the other side looks like. With it being as down as it is, we got a bathroom right here. There's a good chance of actually having a sewage leak. Good little crack right there. Let's see here. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, so I'm getting some separating here in the garage door frame and this right up here. Let's see what else we got. Well, that's a little tighter on this side than that, but that makes sense because that's on the same side of the house as all that other action. Now this side, yeah, it's an inch down over here. Let's see, what else we have? So this expansion joint, there's some minor separation here. And it looks like somebody's caulked this. Got a minor stair step fracture here. And a little separation here. Once again, somebody's put some caulking on it. That caulking's old. That's pretty hard. Chances are it's been there for a while. Golly. Let's see here. And once again, minor separation here. 1.2 inches down on this side. Nothing too exciting back here. I mean, there's some minor hairline fractures there. Minor separation in the window casing there. Same kind of minor separation in the window casing. Yeah, it's that front side right here. That's the worst. Oh yeah, check that out. See how bad the soil's separating from this? I mean, like, I don't have super huge feet, but that's a pretty good gap in the soil. Big cracks in the soil. That's just an indication everything's drying up. So, okay, cool. I'll head back to the truck and write this thing up. We can't jimmy this gate back in place. Cool. Pretty day. It's like 88 degrees. It's perfect out. Oops. So, not that anybody's really interested, but what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to underpin starting right about here I'm going to wrap this here around here, and then I need to grab, see those columns, put pilings like here, here, and I need to grab some on this wall here and one right here. So I mean, it's a good size repair. It's not the end of the world. With this being three and a quarter inches down here, 3.3 inches, 2.6, I mean, I really can't straighten this out without putting a very minimum one interior piling, probably right about here. So time to get to work.